Castello is a popular WordPress theme for independent hotels, B&Bs, and holiday rentals. It is fast, fully responsive, and mobile-friendly. Thanks to its powerful features and the full support for the new block editor, Castello can help you build a professional website for your property. Let's begin. Castello comes with two color palettes, light and dark. The sidebar can be displayed on the left or on the right. Every page of your website can use one of the 5-page layouts. The first layout option will display a large slideshow or featured image, with a page content below it. The other 4 layouts will display the photos to the left or to the right of the page content. The difference is in the aspect ratio between the content and the image. You can display a slideshow instead of a featured image. Simply edit the page and add some images to the custom slideshow gallery. Castello comes with a built-in call to action button in the bottom left or the bottom right corner. It can open an internal or an external page, or it can function as a toggle that displays a slide-out panel. You can add any information to this panel, like your contact information, a booking or a contact form, or even the custom code provided by your booking engine software provider. On pages that use the 3 columns layout, you can enable the Maximize button. With a simple click, visitors can see the larger versions of your photos. Using Castello, it is very easy to display your room types, packages, and other important pages. For this purpose, you can use the Display Child Pages feature, which has several simple but useful options. One such option is the possibility to display a slideshow instead of a featured image. Your guests can get a preview of your rooms a lot easier. Castello works well with the new WordPress block editor. You can easily change the color and size of text and headings. Castello includes some custom block patterns, with more to be added in the future. You can use these block patterns to quickly create popular page sections, with all the flexibility that comes from using WordPress blocks. On the Customize page, you can quickly make some basic changes to your Castello-powered website. In the Site Identity panel, you can upload your website logo. In the Theme Settings panel, you can change the structure of a theme. In the Quick Styling section of the Theme Fonts panel, you can change the 2 default fonts, which will then be used all across your website. You can do specific changes for different parts of a website, where you can control the typeface, the font size, style, and so on. Similar options are available in the Theme Colors panel. And finally, Castello comes with a one-click demo import feature. You can quickly import any of the theme's demos with all the content, widgets, and custom settings. A lot of time and effort went into making Castello easy to use even for beginners. It works right out of the box and does not require any plugins. Castello includes one-click theme updates directly from the dashboard. Updating your theme couldn't be easier than this. Quick and friendly support by email and Skype is available to all Castello users with an active license. And because you watched this video until the end, you earned an exclusive discount code for your first purchase of Castello. Thank you for watching, and please get in touch if you have any questions.